Ready for their jump ball. Number 29, nakuha ng Calixta. Calixta, number 6. Number 6, number 21. Taas na number 3. Number 29, jumper. In the paint. Number 29. Legend. Yan ang selections. Drop toss. Steal. Oh, ng malaking mawa. Number 3. That's number 8. Number 6. Number 27. What a beautiful communication. Ang mga selections. Number 79. Bron.
Basta na-late na sila mga to eh. Late na sila ng 30 minutes sila.
Wala sa play. Rejected.
Meron kasi mga penalty yun. Hindi na nila makuha yun.
Yan ang mga selections. Pumira jumper. Won't go. Kuha ng malaking mamayan. Number 29. Kasi number 31. Pulls a 3. Long 2. Out of bounds. Same ball. Possession. Maganda-handa ng susunod ng maglalaro. Saint Rocco versus Mike Rosa. Number 29, pulls a 3. Short. Recovered. As number 27 in the fade. Number 6. Pulls. Puts it in. Score natin 6-0. Hindi pa nakakapukul ng score ang selections. Ano kayong gagawin ng selections? Number 2. Setting up the play. Selection. And there is a foul committed. Number 6 is foul. And ang selections number 23, Navarro, perimeter. Sablay, 20 number. Short. Rejected. Rebound ng Calixta, number 29. Number 3, the pass number 27. That's number 3. Puts it in. And selections number 22, out of bounds. Same ball. Ball ng Calixta, sorry. Number 3, pulls a 3. One go. Rejected. Steal by number 27. And there's a foul committed by number 2. Who's foul rep? 22. 22. Oh, number 22 is fouled. All right. First team foul. Rebound by selections. Libre na si number 23. Easy basket, number 23, unang puntos ng selections. Number 31, pass number, jumper at the baseline by number 6. Brown penetrates, won't go. Oh, pakalupit naman noon. Batang-bata, number 3, pass to number 6 ulit. Basket is good. And a steal by number 27. Wallet ng Calixta yan. Calixta, number 31. Floater shot. Puts it in.
Ang Calixta ang magka-champion sa legend.
Ayan ang mga selections. Selections. Pastel. Number 10. Broad. Forcing the offense. Won't go. Nakaya ng Calixta. Number 3. And there's a foul, and on basketball foul number 79. Second team foul. Bonus shot, hindi pumasok sa Calixta.
PM mo nga yung PM ka sa youth. Ready na ang youth. Punta na kayo.
And si number 2, jumper. In the paint, sablay ang tira. Kuha ni number 27. And number 31. Number 31 to number 6. Puts it in, number 6. Wala tayong platoon mga idol ha. Kayo na bahala mag-sub kung sino pwede na ipasa. And is number 23, Navarro. 2-meter jumper. Malakas. Recovered. Brown. Lebron. James puts it in.
Time out. Take time out tayo.
Yes sir, time out tayo. Out of bounds. Time out. Selections.
Centro ko versus Mike Osaka. Game na doon.
And back to the ball game. This is a battle between Patya Selections and Calixta. Battle for rank number 2.
Anong number 1 pa naglalabanan nila? 2, 3? Oo. Hindi number 1 na yung ano? Hindi pa eh. Hindi pa malalaman pa pagka matapos ng laro. Doon malaman kung sino number 1. System tayo.
As number 2 and a steal by Calixta. Number 6. As the number 9. Number 9. Number 8. Tapos, easy basket by number 10.
Tambak na sila.
And si Oman, number 22. Perimeter jumper, number 2. Won't go. And si Martinez, pumasok na si Idol. Number 9, Basil. Easy jumper. Sablay. Short ang tira na number 10. Number 10. Number 2 to number 10. Pass to number 22. Jumper in the paint. Puts it in. 2 minutes remaining in this first quarter. Number 8 pulling up. Finds number 6. Balik by number 8. Number 23. Number 23 setting up. Pass to number 9. And 8 seconds to shoot. Number 6, easy basket at the baseline. Si Martinez, penetrates. Nice nila. Buwan ng Calixta. Pass to number 9. Number 8. Number 8. Fade away shot. Short ang tira. Buwan ni number 10. Closing the offense number 2, and there is a foul. Foul number 6. Agrante, this is your first personal foul. Number 2, Bonzo in the line for his bonus. First one is good. Second basket, wala. Nakuha ng Calixta yan. Number 9. Number 8. Pulls the trigger. Won't go. Recovered. Out of bounds. Sabo. Number 10. Pulls up. Won't go. Only number 10 ng selections. Number 11. Martinez. Martinez. Pass number 2. Malakas ang tira. And a steal by number 10. Pass number 22, Auman in the paint. Malakas. Rebound by Calixta. And a steal by Bron. Pass number 2. Fakes. Wala. Nakuha yan ng Calixta. Number 10. Ipinasa na kalaban. Libre. Basket is good. Si number 2. 25 seconds left in this first quarter. Number 9 penetrates. Finds number 6 underneath. Wala. And there's a foul. Foul number 79. Bron. Bron, second personal foul. 18 seconds left. Number 6 makes the first one. Agrante. Second, wala. Rebound by Bron. Bron to Martinez, number 11. Martinez penetrates, faster. And a steal by number 23. Answer na lang maririnig, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 8, pass number 3. And there's out of bounds, hindi siya counted. Hindi siya counted, and that is the first quarter. 23-9 ang ating score. And we are now in the second quarter of this game. Meron pang isang timeout ang selections. Dalawa pa sa Calixta. Alright, back to the ball game.
Wala ng players ngayon. 9 lang sila.
Yata.
And ang selections. As number 12. Number 12 from Florida. Nawala ang bola, steal by number 8 to number 9. Easy jumper by number 9. Tison. As Martinez moving up. On the ball, same ball possession. And number 11. Inbound on the ball to number 10 to number 12 from Florida. Number 11 forcing the offense. Wala. Recovered by number 31. Number 20, number 4. Pass to number 9. Easy basket. Martinez setting up. Was a trigger from the downtown by number 12. Won't go.
Meron ano ko balance sa karaan, 500.
And team selections. Number 11, Martinez. As number 21, face Glorioso. Pulls the trigger, puts it in. Glorioso. Beautiful jumper. Once a three, Calixta. Rebound by number 11. Martinez fades. Number 10. Number 10, Zarrate. Penetrates, won't go. And a steal by number 10. Villegas. Villegas floats. Short. Rebound by Calixta, number 10. Jumper. Wala. Rebound na yan. Number 11. Martinez. Martinez in the paint. Out of bounds. Now Calixta, number 9. Number 9. And there's a foul committed by number 11. Number 11 first personal foul. What back shot by number 4. Ang score natin 21, 29-11, 6 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Martinez number 10. Pass to number 10, forcing the offense, and there's a foul. Foul number 20. Number 20 first personal. Unang tira ni Zarate, sablay. Second one, wala pa rin. Out of bounds, same ball. Reserve timeout tayo sa team selections. Selections inbound the ball, number 12, Pamplona. Pamplona to number 31, balik kay number 10. Won't go, nakuha ng Calixta. Number 20 in the paint, finds number 8. Arquisa, number 8, 4-meter, short. Rebound by number 10, selections, number 31. Penetrates, pass number 12, Pamplona, in and out. Number 10, Calixta, to number 20. Timeout, selections. Ang ating score, 31-11, 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Right back to the ball game. We only have 4 minutes and 12 seconds left in this second quarter. Selections, wala na kayong timeout. Calixta, meron pang dalawa. Pag hindi nyo gamitin yan, hindi na siya mag-carry over sa third. That's number 11. Martinez. As number 2, takes a 3. Number 2 steal. Nawalang pasa ni number 2. Onzo. As number 9, Tison. Setting up the play, finds number 4, back to number. Using that board, number 20, puts it in. As Martinez steals. Jumper, short, recovered, number 10. Basket is good. Zarate. As it is on, pass number 20. Yeah, there is a foul committed by number 12. Pamplona. First personal foul, second team foul. Pumasok. Sablay ang unang tira. Number 20. Pumasok yung isa. As Martinez, floater, jumper. Basket is good, Martinez. Is number 9. Number 9 to number 4. Number 4, shot clock down to 9 seconds. Number 31 pulls a 3, short. Rebound by Calixta, number 20. That's number 9. Number banks it in. Number 9, number 8. 3 points by Arquiza. As Martinez penetrates, grab pass number 10. Basket is good, number 10. Zarate. As number 20. Nice, number 4. Floater. Easy basket, number 4. Malyari in the paint. As Martinez hesitates in the paint, jumps. Basket is good. Martinez. 1 minute and 57 seconds. As number 4, Malyari. As number 20, number 9, Tison. Arquiza, number 8, pulls. Wing. As Martinez going up. Martinez steal, nagandang lumagsahan. Nawalang bola, steal by Here's the layup, number 4, Malyari. Ayan na si Martinez na. Pass to number 2, jumper. Basket yan, kay number 2. Bonzo, ang score natin, 44-21. Kalahati pa ang mahabulin ng selections. And si number 9, Tison setting up. Finds number 8, pulls the trigger from the downtown, short. Rebound yan ni Martinez. Martinez faking, pass number 22, malakas ang tira. Recovered by number 12, Permiro. Basket is good. Ayan na si number 9, Tison. Jumper. Yes, sir. Tison. Number 11, Martinez. Martinez setting up, finds number. Pinasa kay number 10 at the baseline. Foul. Who's foul? Foul number 12. 31. Number 31, first personal foul, second team foul. Sabla yung unang tira ni Boss Sarate. Second free throw, in and out, one go. 18 seconds. There's number 20. Buzzer na lang po maririnig. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 20 pulls the trigger. Recovered by number 8. Pass number 21. Jumper. Basket is good. Number 31.
Mike Osa. Last game pa kami. Kayo na. Susunod.
And that ends the second quarter of this game. Okay, nasa second half na tayo, mga idol.
Si Kani, ano?
Ni Sir Das, ni Boss Gilda.
Ngayon, mamaya.
Kahit ngayon po. Sige, kahit i-PM na lang.
Sige.
Send na lang po sa tigas.
Captain Ball, idol. Sino Captain Ball niyo po?
Captain ball niyo daw.
Captain Ball. Boss, yung ano, playing fee, paki-submit na. Idol, boss, sino Captain Ball niyo?
Boss, yung playing fee nyo, di ba nakaraan meron pa kayong 500 na ano? So, ang credit nyo sa akin is 1.5.
Ano na lang mga idol, paki-settle na lang. Third quarter, sisingilin ko na po. Kasi pag natapos ng fourth game, magsisiwayan kayo, hindi naman kayo makabayad. Hindi ko i-consider na kung hindi kayo magbabayad. Madi-default pa rin kayo pag walang playing fee. Okay, back to the ball game. Wala na tayong oras. All right, back to the ball game. We are now in the third quarter of this game. Alexa, number 27, pulls. Short ang tira. Nako ni number 22. Basket is good, number 22. And ang Alexa, number 23, setting up the play. As a number 28. 29. Beautiful baseline shot by number 29.
Ranking match din pala to.
And a score by number 79, Mr. Brown. Here's number 27. That's number 3. Kuritana. Open 3. Basket is good. A beautiful jumper. Number 2. Number 10. Pulls per meter. Wala. Recovered. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na. Number 10. 31 to number 2. Nawala ang bola. Out of bounds. Balik ang possession sa Calixta. Ayan si Deluna, number 23. Deluna, pass number 10. Out of bounds. Oh, hindi pumasok ang tira ng selections. Pass number 10. Number 10 fakes. Pass number 2. Jumper is good. Basket is good. Number 3. Si Ayuman. Number 22. Lays up. Basket yan. Kaya number 22. Number 3 fakes in the paint. Yes, sir. And number 79, Mr. Braun penetrates. Yes, sir. Mr. Braun. Alexa, number 3. Pass number 23. Using the door recovered. And there's a foul committed by number 22. Number 22, second personal foul. Bonso, first free throw is number 10, sorry, number 10. Second basket is good, or number 10, Navarro. Ayun si number 22, for CD offense, Ayuman. Malakas ang pasa. Number 27, number 23, Deluna. And a steal by number 2. Number 2 steal. Bonso using the board in and out. Nakuha ulit number 23 yan. Pass to number 3. Pulls the trigger from the downtown. Puts it in. 3 points. Floater shot by Mr. Braun. Wala. Nakuha ni number 23 yan. Number 23. Pass the number. Balik kay 23. Number 27. Lose the ball. Nakuha ng selection yan. Glorioso number to Mr. Braun. Floater. Puts it in. Mr. Braun. Ang score natin 62-33. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. There's a Kuritana, number 3. Pulls the trigger from the downtown, puts it in. 3 points. And Mr. Bonso. As Mr. Braun, out of bounds. Same ball possession. Pulls the trigger from the downtown, number 31. Malakas ang tira. Nakuha ni number 27 yan to number 29. Number 29, pass number 3. Basket is good. 3 points, Mr. Kuritana. That's number 2. Pass number 22. In the paint. Floater. Short. And a steal by Braun. Out of bounds. Same ball. Possession.
Sabihin mo, mga bata ka.
Ha?
Number 29. Foul number 29. First personal foul. First team foul. Second throw is good by number 22, Mr. Ayuman. And si Deluna. Deluna, number 27. Balikan 27. Balikan 3. Natamig yung bola. Nakuha ni number 10. Kasi number 2, Bonso. Libre. Basket. Ang score natin, 68-36. In favor of Calixta. Sablay ang baseline sa number 3. And a steal by number 27. Out of bounds. Save the possession. Number 3, Claritana setting up as number 27. Sablay ang tira ng Calixta. Libre si number 31. Glorioso. Puts it in. And number 23 to 29. Right. Pulls the trigger. Short. Number 22. Ayuman. Ayuman penetrates. Rejected. Ay number 29. Sabi ng 29, hindi pwede sa akin yan. Ang score natin, 68-38. Lamang ng 30 puntos. Ang Calixta, number 22, floater. Jumper in the paint. Ayuman. Reserve. Number 29, right. Lakmawa, penetrates. And there's a foul. Foul number 10. Substitution. Number 10, first personal foul. Second team foul. 27 misses. 29 misses the first free throw. Raip. Second free throw. Wala. Ay, paso. By 29. Ayan na si Ayuman, number 22, penetrates, malakas, out of bounds, all possession ng Calixta.
Ano ba tinatawag nito? Picturean mo nga ito. Picturean mo na lang.
Basket is good. By number 2. And a score by 22.
Sino yung naka-score sa kabila? Ayun. Dito. Ito. Hindi, dito naka-score sila eh. Matangkad. 27 na lang. Lagay ko.
This is denied. The number 6 pulls the trigger. Supply. Alright, wala na tayong oras. We are now in the fourth quarter of this game.
Pwede mo ngayon Gcash nila. Huwag mo muna yung singilin mo natin sila. Yeah. Sino mag-Gcash? Sino? Sino mag-Gcash? Message ko.
Ay, wala.
Ayun.
Selections, idol, yung ano, pakisettle po yung play fee na. Para hindi na ako maningil mamaya.
Iba na ito, may laro din mo kasi. Kaya kulang.
Ang susunod na maglalaro ay Mike Cosa versus Saint Rocco. Magbihis-bihis na kayo. Mike Cosa versus Saint Rocco.
Ano po? Master. Maya.